unboxing this awesome Iron Man helmet I've got for $40. It's like a lookalike of the Hasbro Legends one, but I think it's much more preferable to buy this one. So it comes in this kind of a box. I ordered it from Amazon. Yeah. So let's start unboxing. It's quite this is the helmet. Okay. Wear it. It flops open. Like, this is pretty good, and it's like the Hasbro lookalike movie Hasbro Legends series helmet. Plus it flops open. I really love this. So as you can see, there's this padding inside which keeps your head quite comfortable. And wow, one sec. Yeah. So this is much it. So yeah, I suggest you buy this instead of the Hasbro Legends one. You can get it for Amazon. You get it on Amazon for $40. And like, it's pretty neat. And flops open. It's pretty cool, right? And just the truth is, I am Iron Man. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And so, I suggest you buy this one instead of the Marvel Legends one, because it's like for $100 and it's nonsense. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.